What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty with thexking.com. Hit you with another video. It's a nice day today, and I have a really good question I want to answer, and this is pretty much what I talk about in my blog and most of my videos. The question is, what's the best thing I have done as far as making money online? What's the number one thing I have done to make money online? And for me, it's not just one thing, it's a multiple things. But I had to pick one thing. The best thing I've ever done as far as making money online is starting the blog. That's the best thing I've done, because I try to do this online thing for 4 years now, and I'm at a point now I know what to do. There are so many programs out there. Let me focus in here. There are so many programs. There are so many programs, so many ways to make money, and so many social media platforms to make money from. It's YouTube, just pay traffic. Yeah, I learned that you gotta pick one thing and make money from that one thing. So why does they keep on focusing like that? So the number one thing I've learned is to start a blog. Now the reason for starting a blog, put it back here. For the reason for me starting a website online, because in the past I was buying traffic. I was listening to people on YouTube saying, "Oh, I buy traffic to the landing page and I don't make money." Well, it doesn't always work that way. It works that way sometimes, but not all the time. So my number one advice to anybody who wants to start something today, to avoid all the confusion, I would start a website. I would start a blog. And that's the best thing I've done to start a website, because the website is an asset. You think about like real estate, think about it as like a vending machine. It's a piece of property online. It's always on 24/7. It never shuts down, and it can pump out money for you. And it's always online. It never shut down. It works when you're sleeping. It works on Christmas and Thanksgiving. So starting a website was probably the best thing I've done. So if I meet somebody today and they want to start something new, or my son wants to start something, or my niece wants to start something, I would tell them straight out, flat out, start you a blog, start you a website, and start writing content. And the best thing about starting a blog is, once you have the blog set up with your header, body, your footer, once all that element is set up, which they're not hard to do, once you have how to look and feel your site, all you gotta do is write content. And writing content might take you 2-3 hours an article. So if you will do 2 posts a week, you can sit down, take 5 hours, and write 2 posts. You're done for the week. It's it becomes very passive, very easy to maintain. How you open your laptop and write content. So it becomes very easy over time. And then I see now that the more I blog, write articles, the better my writing has been. I was terrible in the beginning, but over time, my writing has gotten way better. So what I would say is this: it's starting the blog. And another thing I've done that made a huge impact is doing something every day. I had a YouTube channel for the past, 5-6 years. Never took it seriously until maybe early last year. I started doing content on a regular basis. And as I made more videos, I made a little more money. So I took it seriously. And also that I have a YouTube channel. So there's 3 takeaways to this video. Number 1, start your website. Website is very inexpensive to start, very cheap. It can be a passive asset. An asset is something that can produce money. It's like real estate. Real estate is an offline asset. It's a building, it's a house, it sits there. You get a small rent property from it, it makes you money per month. You gotta spend a little money, probably fixing stuff up and maintaining the property. The same thing with a blog. A blog is online, it's always on. People come to your site, read your content, and buy what you're promoting, and you gotta add content to it on a regular basis. So it could be an asset. So a blog can be an asset. Also, number 2 is do a YouTube channel. That also could be a passive asset. This video I'm shooting now, it's gonna be on YouTube forever. And 5 years from now, people will still watch these videos and still make money. So it's a very passive, a lucrative asset. I call them assets because it makes you money. Do the work one time and you have an asset. Once you fix the house up and rent it out, you get that monthly income. You got nothing else to do. So it's a passive asset. So those 2 things I will start today. And also pick a frequency straight off from jump. Don't do like I did and do a video here and there. Do one this week, and next week you do none, or write an article this week and you don't touch the blog for 3 weeks. Pick you a frequency, and every week I'm gonna do 2 videos. I'm gonna do 2 articles. Every week I'm gonna do 1 video and 1 article. Pick a frequency and stick with it. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't slow down. And if I learned this from the beginning, when I started what 4 or 5 years ago, if I started 4 or 5 years ago, just running 2 articles per day, 2 articles per week, 2 videos per week, my channel and my blog would be way bigger than it is now. Because my blog would have aged and have plenty of content. So that's a couple things that I do are some of the best things I've done. Is take my blog more seriously, do a YouTube channel, and do something every single day to push my business forward. You know, what the good thing about making money online and having 2 assets, a YouTube channel and blog, they're very easy to maintain. It's not gonna take 8 hours to write a blog post. It ain't gonna take 8 hours to do a video. This video will take me 10 minutes. You don't have to edit if you don't want to, but if I decide to edit a video, which I probably won't, I upload to YouTube and it's done. Do a thumbnail, do a little keywords. That's it. The video is set and it's be online forever. So that's my best advice. What's the best thing I've done to make money this far? Take it seriously and do something every day. That's the biggest difference. When I start doing something every day, I start seeing results. When I start doing video on YouTube every day, I start seeing results. I start seeing the increase in my revenues. I'm gonna do a video soon about my results of YouTube. I do a video every month, once a month, end of the month, on my YouTube channel and my blog, so you see my progression. You can see, you know, how long it's taking me to get to point A to point B. This is the long journey. And one more thing before I go. The reason I say blogging and YouTube are so great is because, let's say it took you an hour to write a blog post and an hour, let's say 30 minutes to write a video, to do a video, shoot a video. So say max 2 hours do both. Or what's 2 hours, you could do something else beside those 2 things. You can do it on a blog. You can do it on a YouTube channel. You do make money offline. You can invest in stocks. You can do real estate. You can build a side hustle. You want to power wash houses in your free time. If you want to have a lawn care service, see the online stuff can all be done in your free time, all done from home. You know what I'm saying? That's the easy thing about it. You got to dedicate 10 hours a day, 40 hours a week on your site. You could do maybe 4 or 5 hours a week on your site and still get updated. So I love that fact that I know I'm planting seeds in now, writing articles, writing blog posts, shooting videos. I'm planting seeds in the ground now for the future growth. So I know that. So you do the same thing. So start your site now, start a channel now, start planting seeds in the ground. And if you're into something else, if you like drawing, if you like to build stuff, you like to fix cars, whatever that skill that you like doing makeup, you can still do that full time. You can still do the blog and YouTube and the makeup and the fixing cars on your other time. So you still make money in both ways. So that's also a good thing. I work full time, but I still run a blog on a YouTube channel when I come home from work. So I have my job making money, my blog making money, and my YouTube channel making money. So I can start another blog. I can start another YouTube channel. I could invest in real estate. I could do stocks. I could build a business, a service business, a power washing business. I could do a cutting grass business. You know what I'm saying? So that's the biggest thing that I learned so far. Take the video to heart. And that's the end of the video. I don't want to make it too long. It's only been 9 minutes. So thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Just take steps. Do something every day. I've always preached this. Do something every day that'll push you forward to your online goal. Whatever that goal is, do something every single day. And you can do it every single day for a period of time, a long time. You will see results. My name is TomWithSking.com. Thanks for watching.